Hey guys, let's see how to program the Kitchenaid coffee maker. Here you have the AutoSet 1 and AutoSet 2, which means you can have coffee twice a day. You see, for example, here that I have this information with Auto 1, which means it's ready to make coffee at a specific time, right? Right now, I see the clock is 1:51 p.m. And when I press here the AutoSet 1, I'm gonna see the information about the time that I'm gonna have coffee. You see here, 7:10 a.m., right? See that's flashing here? And then I can just come here to the hour button and I can change. You see that I press here and then it changes to p.m. Let's say I wanna have coffee at 7:10 p.m., right? Or 7:15, for example. I can just change here the minute as well for 7:15. And then I'm good to go. I click here one more time in AutoSet and I'm ready to go, right? Now I just leave like this. It's gonna stop flashing and then it comes back to the clock and I see the Auto 1 here that's ready to go, right? And then you can do the same with the AutoSet 2. And of course, you just need to have water in the water tank and come here and check the grounds as well. If you have everything in place, you're good to go, okay? So that's basically the way you can program your KitchenAid coffee maker. Hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.